Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good, and it's so glad that you all are here again to watch my videos, and please keep on doing that. Yeah. Today we're going to do a Meesho haul. This haul is not on certain or specific things like on a one range haul like a clothing haul or a makeup haul or a flat haul or something like that. It's on like some of the things that I randomly picked up from Meesho just to check it out their quality. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, also I forgot to say you guys that I haven't unboxed the things that I got. I'll bring it here now. Let's do it together. Yeah, okay. So guys, let's start our unboxing. Okay, this is the, can you see this huge box over here? And here there are so much of boxes laying here everywhere in front of me. These are the boxes that I or the things that I got that I got from Meesho. Okay, and this huge box here. So let's start unboxing and let's see what is there. Okay, let's see. Let's open this first. I think this is a pair of flats. Okay, the first item on the haul turns out to be this very beautiful flat that I got. I'm not sure about the brand of this flats because it's not written anywhere. I don't know, but okay, coming to the material or the quality of this flats, I would say it's quite durable because according to the price that I got, I just got this around 200 something. I'm not sure about the price. I'll just give you the price on the screen somewhere here, but it's really good according to the price, I would say, because the work they have done here. Can you see this, guys? It's really neat and clean. The stitching, everything has been done very nicely. I really like it. And talking about the size, I got this in size 5. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, and also you can pair this with kurtis and everything, and sometimes it looks good when you pair with jeans, wearing a tunic top and everything. So yeah, you should also try this. I'll give you the code, the product code in the description box. Yeah, okay, coming to the next, let's unbox this. Okay, I don't know what is there inside. Okay. Another flats. Okay, the next item on the haul turns out to be this very classic look of flats, I would say, because the color is really nice and very subtle. Okay, now coming to the quality of this flats, I would say the given sole is really good according to the price that I have paid. The price is really affordable. I would say it was more than affordable according to this quality. I was not expecting such a good quality. Okay, the pattern given here, between the green and the white, the golden is popping up and everything. It's really nice. And yeah, and coming to the size, I bought size 8. Okay guys, I bought this size because of the reviews and the size chart, because some of the brands or the I don't know what happens, it differs from brands to brands. Yeah, So yeah, I just bought size 8, you know, calculating the reviews and the size chart. So please do that before you buy. And I got this around 200 something, I'm not sure, but I'll give you the price somewhere here. Also I'll give you the, you know, product code in the description box. Yeah, okay, the third item haul will be this, but let's check it out what is there inside. Okay, I think this is a cup. Okay, I ordered. Let's see. The packaging is really good, you know. See, there's a box outside. Again, they have packed it really nicely. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, great. See this? I got 6 cups. Okay, there is 6 different colors that I got. You see this? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. One more, 6. Yeah, I'll show you. See? Ah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, I don't have much to say about these scarves because it has impressed me a lot. I really like it because of the different colors, you know. But the thing is, I expected a little bit bigger from this size, but it's okay. I really like it. And coming to the price, I paid around 400 something. Again, I'll give you the price on the screen. I don't remember exactly. It's written something here that coffee every day is new beginning. It's really inspiring also. I really like it. You guys should also try these cups. It's really pretty. It will, you know, give a different look in your kitchen. Yeah, okay. The next item on the haul will be this. Okay, I think this is a belt, okay, that I ordered. This is quite long. I'll just take this out. Out. Yeah, okay. It's not happening. Coming in. Are? Yeah, as you all can see, this is in the color black. Okay, and they have also given such kind of, you know, pattern, round pattern here, you know, double, I don't know what it is called, but I really like it. I always see, you know, others, you know, having such kind of belt, but I don't have this in my wardrobe, so I thought I'll try it out. Yeah, this is all, and nothing much to say about this belt. It's quite long. I really like it. You know, the bell must be long, because if it turns out to be short, it will be very difficult for us. So yeah, this is all, and you guys should also try. And yeah, talking about the price, again, I have paid this for rupees 200 and something. Again, I'll give you the price on the screen. Yeah, also I'll give you the product code in the description box. Yeah, okay. Now this would be the next item on the haul, and first let's unbox this. I have lost. Oh, yeah, I found it. Okay, let's do unboxing first. They have, you know, the packaging and all is very good. I'm very bad at unboxing. Okay, this is the 3D, you know, I don't know what it is called, but 3D frame wall hanging, you know, frame that I got. Guys, it looks so pretty. Wow, can you see this? I'll just open it. One, two, and three. These are the three cardboard, or I don't know what should I say, that I got just to hang on the wall. And to do that, they have given such kind of, you know, things on in the back of this cardboard. We'll just, you know, can you see this? Yeah, we'll just pull this off, and it will get stuck, you know, easily on the wall. Yeah, like this. And they also say this as you know, 3D, you know, board or something. I don't remember the exact word, but you know, because of the, you know, shadow and everything given here, can you see this? Yeah, it will, when it gets stuck, you know, when it gets pasted on the wall, it will, you know, it will feel like, or it will be seen like, you know, this flower pot and everything, flower is a different thing, you know, it will pop up differently. So yeah, that is the thing. And yeah, this is also the same thing. The quality is quite good. In this case, I don't remember the, you know, price. I totally forgot. I don't know how much I paid for this, but it was really you know, affordable. I'll give you the price here. Okay, so yeah, this is all. Yeah, okay, we have come to the end of our video. You know, this is the last item, okay, on the haul. And you might be wondering, what is this huge box over here? This is a table, you know, a bed table that I got. Okay, let's just pull this out. Okay. Yeah, and this is, I don't know, it falls off, but it's okay. Okay, can you see this? This is a table that I got. As you can see, this is in the color pink. The stand, everything. Yeah, can you see this? I can't show you properly. This is the storage they have given here to just, you know, put in a bottle or something, okay, or a pan or anything. And here also, I don't know how to use this thing, the storage they have given here. You can take this out easily, okay, and take this again, okay, and again here the same thing. Take this out and fix this, but I would suggest to fix this, you know, permanently, because so that it doesn't fall off again and again. And I would say this is the best purchase that I, you know, did from Meesho in just 490 something. I really, you know, recommend each and every one of you who is watching this video to just go and get this, because if I was able to come out from the video and show you the quality and the, you know, the styling and everything they have given is really good. I'm really impressed with this product. I really like it. And yeah, this is all. And yeah, okay, let me just keep this. Yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope you all have enjoyed my video, and if you do, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will be very, you know, kind towards you if you do that. And I hope, you know, I haven't disappointed you, and more videos are coming up, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, stay healthy, stay safe, and always be happy and keep smiling. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you on my next video. Tata.